Welcome to Flashback Friday, where we uncover the untold and incredible stories that shaped arc history. Every week, we reveal the secrets, controversies, and genius moments that changed everything. Today, we are looking at K.G. Subramaniam, the artist who refused to separate folk from fine art, craft from canvas, play from politics. His journey is radical. Let's dive in. KG Subramaniam work begins with a question: who decides what is high art? Born in 1924 in Kerala, Subramanian's early life was shaped by India's freedom movement. He was imprisoned for participating in anti-British protest, but his rebellion didn't stop there. At Shantiniketan's Kala Bhavan, under the influence of Nandalal Bose and Binod Bihari Mukherjee, he observed something powerful: that modern India art didn't need to imitate Europe to be contemporary. It could grow from its own soil. While many artists chased abstraction in oil paint, Subramaniam turned to toys, terracotta, reverse glass painting, murals, weaving, and children's book illustrations. He blurred categories deliberately. For him, art was a living language. In the 1960s and 70s, he began creating vibrant murals filled with hybrid creatures, playful lines, political undertones, and sharp satire. Women, gods, animals, urban life all collided in compositions that felt mischievous yet deeply intellectual. As a teacher at MS University, Baroda, he helped define what would become one of the India's most influential art movements. He recognized students to look at bazaar prints, tribal art, textiles, street signs not as lesser but as sources of visual power. In a post colonial India, still negotiating identity, Subramania proposed something bold. Modernism doesn't mean eraser, it means conversation. His terracotta reliefs feel Asian yet contemporary. His paintings look playful, almost childlike, until you notice the layered critique beneath them. He treated art like storytelling, like theatre, like folklore retold for a restless nation. Even late into his career, he kept experimenting: acrylic, printmaking, writing essays, designing books. His curiosity never hardened into style. What ties it all together? A belief that art must remain fluid, accessible, rooted, yet restless. K.J. Subramaniam reshaped how India thought about art. He turned craft into critique, play into philosophy, and tradition into transformation. Thank you for joining Flashback Friday. Which aspect of Subramaniam's work fascinates you most, the murals, the toys, or the political satire? Let us know below. Subscribe for thoughtful art stories every Friday. See you next time.